walking time dito sa Dika. Kami lang yung tao. May dala kasi kaming baon. Ayan o. Kaya makastay kami ng matagal. Malamig na dito. Kaya ano pa naman. Makaya pa naman. May jacket naman akong dala. Then why you don't paddle anymore?
No, there. The boy is there.
Where? No, he's playing alone. You will play with him, then I will stay in the middle. No, I will sit down, but then I will become tired. Ayaw niya akong stay. Ha? Huh? How come? Kinunto ito. Meron ng hotel na gusto niya makipaglaro sa bata, pero mahiya man siya. Exhibition ng bata.
It's faster than me.
Because your gari is different than his gari, you know?
Yes. His gari is hard.
That gari is the rechargeable, yani. Ayaw niyang umupo ako, pero okay lang din kasi exercise din naman ito. Kaya lang bit ko rin yung aming baon, kaya ayaw niya ipalapag, baka daw kunin ng iba. Ay mo lang, may nagtatrabaho ko. I will not run because you are paddling very fast.
Faster. Yalla push and take me out of this grass.
Don't bring your
Because I want to.
that boy don't want to play with you. Go on the side. Am I bad? Ang layo niya na. Pag ma-stuck na siya doon mamaya, dito ako dadaan. Punta siya sa gitna. Andun siya. Ha? Diba? Nasaan na yung binatilyo dito kanina? May binatilyo dito kanina naglalakad eh. ko siya dito. Kausap siya. Hindi niya alam nandito ako sa sa gitna. Pag hindi niya ako kita mamaya, sisigaw yun. Pasinuot yung jacket ko. Ganda. Hindi na ko. Naam! Rest here in the middle, yalla. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? But then the boy will laugh.
I said, where is Jana? Where is Jana? See, I cry because I love you. I want you
No.
to be. I want you to be.
Maybe I will complete.
I want you to be my history.
Sino history?
Will be
Maybe?
my history book. My history book.
Hmm?
I'll write Jana is the best one in my life. In my history, I will write.
Wala.
My history. And the boys in the school they will learn my history.
We'll rest here in the middle, be? I'm tired of walking, you know. I will sit down first. You go to paddle, then I will sit down here, okay? Hoy! Bata! I will sit down here, huh? Don't cry. May bata kasi dito na isa. Kasama niya yung nanay niya. Iba yung ano niya, iba yung nanay gari niya. Yala. Paddle slowly because I'm putting my cell phone on you. What time we will go home?
After.
Huh?
After when they go home.
Who?
No.
Who?
What?
Who?
No. Not when. When I know.
Yala, do the paddle ah. Yala, go. I'll wait for you in the middle. I'll wait for you in the middle. Okay? I'll wait for you in the middle. Go, go, go. Put your gari to the side. Bata, put the gari side. Don't put the gari on the road. Don't put the gari on the road. Kasi daw siyang tag-iyas ang alagyan. I told you that don't put your gari on the road, or else no one can pass here.
This movie you got it.
Yalla, yalla. Yalla ka. Remove your gari. See, there is no charge anymore.
They leave it like this.
Yeah. Because the mother wants to walk.
Can
Ganito.
you paddle?
No, I cannot paddle. But then your gari will karban.
No.
Ah,
It's called how many kilos?
no.
Too much kilos.
How many kilos are you?
I'm 73. 73.
It's 147.
What?
147.
147 عادي. But it's
No, it will be
it's
carbon.
200 kilos.
Sino 200 kilos?
Can make
I cannot.
can paddle 100 kilos. Ferry. Okay, only push me on the second.
Hindi siya gusto mag-paddle. Gusto niya lang masakay. Tinugto ito. Kaya pagod na siya. Wait.